Hey, welcome back to Handlebar Garden.
How's it going?
We're, I guess you call it live on location.
Live on location, doing a little adventure time, a little vacation time. We are at Two Wheels of Suches, Georgia. Georgia.
Depends on where you're from.
Yeah, it depends on where you're from. But anyway, we got down here, a couple hours ago.
Yeah.
Set everything up. If you look at that building, far windows, that's where we'll be staying. Lodge number 2. They got 3 lodges upstairs. 1, 2, and 3.
Well, we can show them all that.
Yeah, we can show you all that. They'll show you how, all that inside and how that works out. So far, it's pretty neat. We agreed. The girls may or may not. I mean, we're not picky. Well, that ain't saying much, is it?
No. Well, it's better than sleeping in a tent.
Yeah, a lot better than sleeping in a tent. But anyway, they got some cabins and stuff down here and some primitive camping. And we're going to take a little tour. They got a bike wash station. We're going to check that out. We're going to take you all with us and check this place out right after this. So they got this laid out pretty nice. We were standing up there, and I'm gonna pan around here. This creek runs down. I ain't touched the water yet, but I'm sure it's bone cold. Then you got some primitive camping over here, and down that way. Nice little creek. Got a good flow of water. It's showing. And we're fixing to go up. We'll go up and check out the bike wash and all that. Across the bridge? Yeah. Or right around there. Yeah. There's a pathway right there.
Yeah, okay.
And there's them ladies following us again. You know, hey, it's hard, you know, it's hard. But right here's a cabin. First one we come to looks like number 6. And the way,
you know, there's at least 5 more.
Yep, at least 5 more. So what they do is they put your name on it. I'll not zoom in on that, but there's a card there with your name and the keys hanging there. Looks like they're going to check in on the 8th. So that cabin will be theirs. We'll leave it at that.
Motorcycles only.
And motorcycles only this way. And here's another cabin 7. Cabin 7.
Oh, shoot.
And they're going to check in on the 6th through the 8th. That's today. Day the 6th. Yeah. So they may be here. I mean, I didn't see that the key wasn't hanging there. So. Yeah, they didn't have the key hanging. So here's another one, the 6th through the 8th. I don't know how quick these are to book out, but we've had our reservations for a while for the lodge. I would assume the lodge would sell out quicker.
You'd think so.
But
we had it a couple months in advance.
Yeah, it's a couple months. Yeah. We'll say this: the cabins are $70 a night, and the lodge is $80. And with the lodge, and we're going to be down here to the bathhouse here in a second. And with the lodge, got this killer. I mean, killer. Oh my God, that'll be good on film. What? I don't know what I hit there. Somebody tripped me. And
There's your blooper reel.
that's oh my gosh. Yep. Anyway, That used to be a bridge right over there, look like. Well, the way they do things is, of course, with the cabins, there's a bathhouse up here, and with the lodge, you've got 3 rooms in the lodge, and then you've got a separate one. We'll get there too. You've got a separate kitchen. Everybody shares the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, in other words, and a bathroom. So,
and then you have your individual bedroom.
yep. And
We got the one with the double beds.
it's like having it's like a 3-bedroom house. So, you know, hey, if you don't want to be around strangers, yeah, it might not be.
Primitive camping or the cabin.
I don't know, there's a gremlin or something on that bridge that grabbed my foot. Man, oh man. They got
Fire pits though.
Yeah, they do have some nice fire pits with, see if I can get close to that. It says, Suches. It's got their logo on it. There we go. Yeah, there we can see it. See it good. That's pretty cool. So, they got firewood. I think it's for sale. I think that's what she said. I can't remember how much. I think she told me it was $20 a wagon. I want to think.
Well, I believe we could heap that wagon up pretty good.
Yep, $20 per wagon load. Please pay at checkout. A lot of stuff here. What we've noticed is honor system.
Yeah.
And what we've come to find out, bikers are probably the most honest people around. All of my life, anyway. So $20 a wagon, really, that would probably do a few days if you wanted to do that.
Yeah.
So this is a bathhouse coming up too. It's pretty neat, looks like from the outside. I'm gonna go in the men's section. What do they got here? Men, employees, and women. I'll go in the men's section, and probably have to have a code at some point. I don't know how this is. We didn't ask because we're not using these. Let's go into the bathhouse. We'll put that light on, Mike. There we go. Urinal, showers. Oh, this is nice showers.
Both the urinals are on the other side. Looks like all the showers are on this
Wow, that's nice.
side.
That's a
It's
pretty.
actually got a tub, not just a concrete floor
Yeah,
stand on.
we've stayed at a lot worse. Just saying. Oh yeah. And urinals and toilets. Yeah, pretty cool. So I'm gonna assume just last to leave, turn the lights out. Roger that. We will. I don't know where them ladies went. They might have went into there. I was gonna. Well, maybe we don't need to do that. Anyway, I assume
That'd be a whole different
I assume the ladies' bathhouse is similar to the men's. We'll say that anyway.
It's a really nice setup.
It is. I really dig it. Well, maybe we'll pick right back up here in a second. So,
We took a shower.
now that we've caught back up with the ladies, was the bathhouse in there good?
Yeah.
Because we didn't go in there. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all we're gonna get out of them. Is yeah. Don't go into detail if you don't care. Here's a cabin. I don't see the number on it. That's number 1.
There is
So I guess this is where it starts.
Yeah. So how many?
4 showers and 4 commodes.
4 showers and 4 commodes. What we were going to do if we was going to stay in the cabin is we was going to try to get these 2, and that you'd be right that close to the bathhouse. But we, like I said, we decided to get, and maybe next time if we're down here, we'll get the cabin. You know,
They look like all twin beds.
I think they're all twin beds.
We'd have to get 2 separate cabins, 'cause we wouldn't all live in the twins.
Well,
But if they're this close together, I mean, you can sit
Yeah.
on the front porch.
Yeah.
And you got
or
your
we can
picnic
get
table.
chairs and sit in between them.
We did that one.
So here's some tents people set up. We just talked. There's a pair of boots hanging up. I'm assuming those are drying out. Somebody got caught in the rain.
We'll get our share of it before the week's out.
We talked to a gentleman there a minute ago, and he was looking around for a campsite. He's got some people coming in. We're kind of looking around where to pop a tent for. I think he said he's gonna be here a couple of days till Monday.
Yeah.
So we're not sure where this road goes to. I know where that path goes to, but I don't know about this road. This road looks like there's a gate up there. So
That's as far as it goes.
okay, so we'll just go across this bridge.
Oh, should take a video of him.
We'll have to go across this bridge. So that's what it is.
Where are you going?
Across this bridge. Hopefully it don't have a gremlin. That other one had a gremlin.
That's what we need to do. We got trailers, buy a big tent.
Maddie? Take a picture of that thing, or
Now if I was popping a tent, boom,
Right here, yeah.
right here, out away from everybody. They got a walkway here. Wooden walk. Now this right here costs some money to do. Well, I don't know how long it's been here, but
I wonder if that fella come over here and look at this spot.
I don't know. That right there would be where I would be. Is right there. Unless you just want to be in the grass.
That'd be shade.
That's a lot of shade right there, boy.
That'd be a good summertime spot.
Good summertime spot.
I'd say it'd get pretty cool tonight.
I'd say you're right. Yeah, see how this turns in here. So that's the way it does right here. That's it. And we'll be back in just a few minutes. Yeah, it's not huge. Well, there's a lot of tents. You being here. All right, here's going up to the lodge room. So right now we're the only ones here. Got your dining room area. Living space. Nice couches. Some people are kicked back, relaxing. Nice television. Kitchen. This is room number 1. Super nice. Okay. Room number 2. This is one we're in actually. Closet space stuff. Actually, you can see over in the parking lot too. So, anywho, and then room number 3 will be right here. Then with these 3 rooms, you share bathroom. So super nice. And your towels are in your locker. So works out well. In the shower, whatnot. So anyway, that's the tour of the lodge. Come down here, like I said, all kinds of sitting room, kicking back room. I don't know. I don't know about them.
This is the common area.
This is a common area. Yeah, okay.
Common folks hang out.